Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to talk about the career benefits of creating technical training and tutorials. Creating tutorials can enhance your career in numerous ways. For instance, when applying for a job, employers typically review the application, check the candidate's GitHub page, maybe their LinkedIn, and usually that's as far as they go. However, if you maintain a Medium page where you publish articles or a YouTube channel where you publish your videos, this can dramatically increase the chances of standing out to employers. It demonstrates that you're knowledgeable in your field because being able to explain complex concepts in an understandable manner is a valuable skill. And of course, creating technical training and tutorials can open up opportunities for additional income. In the next video, we're going to talk about how to register to Open Campus and how to claim your Open Campus ID. So let's go.